Hi, good evening. I did not think I was going to vlog tonight, but here I am starting a new vlog because honestly, like, this week is going to be kind of fun. It's going to be kind of a messy vlog because I work so much, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to vlog the next couple days, just being like, I'm the worst with this kind of stuff.
Yeah, move.
No.
Move. You can just open it. It's already open far enough.
It's a license plate cover.
Woo! Cool.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. We are about to go play tennis. Not me. Not her. She has to work.
I gotta work.
And we all know who's really gonna win. My dad.
The court.
We out here, boys. You didn't let it bounce.
I don't have to let it bounce.
Yes, you did.
No, you don't. This. Alright, just move your back.
I'm all sweaty. We are done playing we're done playing tennis tonight.
I had a great time with my daughter.
Hi, I just changed from work and I am about to go over to my grandma's house to go play cards with her and eat food. But I'm trying to take my dog, but I want to take her safely. So we actually have one of these things that you're supposed to use for your dog to keep it buckled in case a car accident happens, just so that she's safe. Give me a food tour.
I have chicken. I have chips. I have bread. I have watermelon.
Grandma's favorite food is watermelon.
Yes, I'll bring it for her.
Then I got a Sprite. So we were back home from going over to my grandma's, and now I am about to start cleaning my room up a little bit. This pile right here is all Goodwill, and then this small little pile next to it is all going on my Mercari, so go follow it. All I have left is my little pile of Mercari stuff to be listed, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to list it because I'm lazy. Good morning, my dudes. I look hella crazy right now, but today's gonna be a really fun day. We have a lot to do, a lot to get done. I am getting my hair done today, which is why I don't really care how my hair looks right now. And I want to finish cleaning my room. And then I want to add some stuff to my wall, my crazy wall over here. So yeah, it's going to be really great. I'm really excited. So the first thing I'm going to do this morning, I already brushed my hair and put it back, is I am going to go through this monster pile on my floor. This is the end of me cleaning my room, so I just put everything in the pile here, and I'm going to clean it up right now. I've been sitting here editing. I have to upload all these videos right now. Just trying to get them all finished edited. Please send help. I'm losing my freaking mind. I need to be ready to leave in a few minutes and go get my hair done, get it all fixed up for school. So I got dressed. My hair looks really crazy because I slept with it wet and then put it in a bun. But now I'm gonna go get my hair done. So like, here's the before of my hair. My roots are really growing out. Shut up. I just realized I didn't show you my hair. Here it is. I love it so much. I love the color of it. I think it looks so cute on me right now, especially with like my skin tone and everything. Texas Roadhouse. You good there, pal? You good there, pal? Hey guys, I am in my car right now. I have had a really busy day. I worked in the morning and then I went to my mom's cousin's retirement party. And then now I am driving to go to my friend Ruby and Alex's house. And we're gonna go pet puppies because it's been a really rough couple weeks for me. My mental health has really just kind of been crappy these last couple days. And like, I don't really want to get into it right now. Like, maybe I'll talk more about it later. But like, I've just been a little sad. And I'm not trying to say that to get attention when in reality, like, I just struggle sometimes, you know, I'm human. So yeah, if my mood seems a little down or something, I'm really sorry. We are leaving Six Flags now.
Well, we don't
Did
know
you
where
have
we
fun?
parked. Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Did you have fun?
I had fun.
We had fun. We don't know where we parked, but Jesus kept me safe today.
You did. Nothing
Yeah.
broke down.
Yeah. Well, we were there. Don't want to jinx the people who are still there.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is the end. Bye.
Taste of my watch is...
Hi, honey. He's going up the shoe.
Go.
Turn your phone up. Hey, we made it! Kind of paid completely unchanged. $2.10 to go. Look at how upset I was on that ride. Like, I didn't realize how upset I was to be on that ride. Like, we go from really happy, kind of happy and scared to real scared real quick.